Motorola is reportedly working on the successor of the last year launched Moto G Pro or Moto G Stylus as Moto G Stylus 2021. And before the launch, the upcoming phone renders were surfaced online by a reputed leakster Steve Hammerstoffer through his blogging platform called Voice. The leak render shows the complete design of the upcoming phone, and according to leaks, the Moto G Stylus 2021 will support a flat screen with a hole punch at the top left corner for selfie camera. At the back, the phone is seen to feature a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom it has a speaker grill, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C port, and a slot for stylus pen. Additionally, the smartphone also appears to have an ray-mounted fingerprint sensor equipped under the Motorola logo. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 169.6 by 73.7 by 8.8 millimeters. Talking about the specifications, according to leaks and rumors, the Moto G Stylus 2021 will support a 6.81-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. As per the camera, the Moto G Stylus 2021 will include one 48MP main camera along with the 8MP ultra wide angle lens plus 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it will have an 16MP camera at the front and it will house 4000 mAh battery. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto G Stylus 2021 has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G Stylus 2021 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSolbug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.